VitreosHealth, Beyond Insights.
I'm one of the co-founders of PSCI, and at PSCI I'm responsible for technology, development, R&D, as well as solution delivery. I've got a master's degree in electrical engineering, and I also have an MBA. Before PSCI, I was working at Deloitte Consulting. I worked there for about 4 years in the supply chain optimization space. And then in 2001, I started my first company called Intigma, which was in the whole spend and cost analysis space. And the big problem that we solved there was how to harvest millions and millions of transactions from the accounts payable systems of Fortune 500 companies and use supervised machine learning algorithms to automatically stitch them together and create a cohesive database that you can use to answer questions on spend. Where are we spending, with whom, etc. I sold that company in 2005 to a Boston-based company called MTORIS, which was subsequently acquired by IBM. And I continued working at MTORIS for a few years after the acquisition. And then in 2009-2010 timeframe, I got together with Jay, and that was when we started PSCI. Jay was actually working at that time with University of Pittsburgh Medical Center. So he and I came together. We started out with an idea of bringing in cost, quality, and risk together in one application and being able to analyze the healthcare data relative to each of these three dimensions. This was something that was not done together. It was being done in silos at major hospitals. So that was the idea that actually started PSCI, and then it's been a 3 to 4 year journey now, where we have kind of specialized in the whole predictive risk area. So the fundamental problem that we are solving at PSCI is identification of risky patients. By risk, we mean a patient who is likely to have a high-cost intervention in the near future. If we can identify these risky patients ahead of time, before the onset of disease or before the onset of a high-cost intervention, then we can design an individualized care management program. And we can, by putting that program together, we can take preventative, proactive action and either delay or completely avoid a serious condition that can result in a hospitalization.